So I made this video on applying universal functions in NumPy array, and somebody made a comment to say, actually, you can use one-liner list comprehensions. So let's have a look at this comment and analyze it. So if I go back here, and this is the comment, and I've tried to copy the syntax that they showed here. And as you can see here, this is the alternative universal function syntax that I use. So what's the difference between two? If I run this code, then as you can see, same output for both. But there is one major difference. In the list comprehension variable type, we get a list type. But for the universal function syntax, we get an array, actually in the NumPy array. So the universal syntax actually has quite a few benefits, which is it performs a vector operation. And what I mean by vector operations is it can process the array elements in parallel. So behind the scenes, it uses some C language library that will actually process the elements in parallel, while list comprehension will use a loop to go through the process. And so the NumPy array is actually stored in one contiguous memory block. So that means, of course, when it's doing parallel operation, it is much faster because they're next to each other. So it's faster to apply, operations on that, such as square root. So there's no need to explicitly declare a loop as such. You basically use this syntax and it is faster, much more memory efficient, and will basically do the same job as above. But in this instance, universal function syntax here is much better, and it will give you much better results in terms of processing speed and memory use. And you will get an NumPy array at the other end, so you can further do any manipulation without converting between data types.